Hi, welcome to Islands of Fun. It's your boy Joel. I know it's a bit noisy. Today we're at the breakfast shed, and you're gonna see the entrance in the front in a little bit. But I just had to show you all the water taxi on the waterfront. Alright, so as you can see it's there behind me. And you can see the other one there, Calypso Sprinter, and there's my mother-in-law doing her thing as usual. And behind me in the back there is the TNT Spirit, I think. That's the ferry to Tobago. So stay tuned for the breakfast shed. Alright guys, so as you can see, Femme de Charlotte, the original breakfast shed. This is basically the entrance. So I know for a fact before it used to be a lot bigger. So I'm just going down the line. That's Keisha's kitchen, a taste to remember. And we have Tan's Gourmet. So I think all these things here are things to expect from Tan's Gourmet. Hopefully we decide where we want to eat. Then we have Yoyo's or Dolo's Delight. So you got different types of meat, sides, salads, and even stuff for breakfast. Trini jam. Interesting. So I'm thinking this is Trini and Jamaica in one. I could be wrong. But it looks good. And then lastly we have Mr. Juice. So I guess then you're getting all the juices here. And it's a long list of punches and vegetable juices and stuff. So stay tuned for whatever we decide to eat. Guys, so I'm having buttered cassava, cuckoo, which is covered by the callaloo, and Anem's orange pine juice. This is something new to me. I never saw this one, so I'm gonna give that a taste. And on top of that, hopefully you could see the view in the back. Yes, the ocean front in Port of Spain. Wow, so it's nice and refreshing. We got nice little palm trees, the Hyatt and stuff over on that side. So I'm gonna dive in and I'll probably give you a review after I take a few bites to let you know how it tastes. Alright guys, so just finished my butter cassava, callaloo and cuckoo. The butter cassava is nice. Butter cassava is nice and creamy. The callaloo was on point and the cuckoo was excellent. I love cuckoo, so it was nice. When I took the first bite, it had a funny taste of the butter cassava, but after that, when your tongue get accustomed to the taste, it tasted really good. So that was excellent. For the juice, Anem's orange pine. That's the first time I had a juice with orange in it that wasn't overly sweet. It was just the right amount of sugar in it, and it really tasted good. So guys, as per usual, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And those of you who are regulars to the channel, you know what to do. Smash up and mash up the like button and leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Have a great day guys.